Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn that how can we use overflow in CSS. So overflow is one of the properties in CSS. Now I will type the coding of main text here like this, and then in title I will type here overflow in CSS. Now after typing like this, let me make it bigger here. Okay, now after typing all this main tag, I will type here style tag like this, and then in body tag I will type div tag, and now inside the div tag I will type here h1 tag for the heading of the para, and the heading I will give is lorem ipsum, because the paragraph is on lorem ipsum, and the paragraph is come with the Visual Studio Code. Now here I will type p tag and then lorem, so it will be like this. Now some words of this para I will delete so that it will be of equal means. Now see, you can see that these two lines are equal now. So I will type here br. I think. Now we have to copy these two lines, and then I will paste it over here. So this is the para which I typed here. Now let's see it with live server. So you can see here that there is a paragraph with one heading. Now these two things are in div tag, so let's style div tag here. So type div and like this. Now here I will type background color first, and the background I will choose is dark orange is perfect. And now let's see one time. So this is the div tag, and you can see that there is some extra part with background color. So let me fix the width and height of div tag. So the width will be of something near 500 pixel. Let me see. So it is not good, so that's why I will type here 700 pixel approximately. So it's looking good now, and I will also choose a height here, and the height is of only 300 pixel. Now you can see that there is some paragraph which is not inside the div tag. So using overflow we can hide this paragraph, or the div tag, here will be a scroll button. When we scroll it, then we can see the paragraph. So now let me type here overflow. And then here is four options you can set, which is auto, hidden, scroll, visible. If I say here scroll, then see here's a scroll button. We can scroll it and we can see the paragraph. And if we give here auto, this one, and then you can see it will give the scroll button by itself, means how can we make it better? So if we give here hidden, this one, then the paragraph which is not inside the div tag will be hidden, and then if we type here this one visible, then see the paragraph will be visible. So but it will not inside the div tag, but it will be visible. So friends, like this you can use overflow in CSS. So thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.